everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, how you doing? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this hair. I'm going to share all of the details about this hair, so if you're interested in that, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, first off, I'm going to start with the details about this hair. So this hair is from Likablewig. It's a 5x5 HD glueless wear and go lace frontal. Came pre-cut, so I didn't have to cut, and I actually really love that, because for people that struggle with cutting their lace or have the fear of ruining their lace, this wig is perfect for them. Perfect, yeah. It's a 5x5 HD lace wear and go glueless wig. If I told you guys I did not glue this wig, would you believe me? Just stay tuned so you guys will see how I achieved this look without any wig glue, lace glue, got to be glue, no form of glue at all. It's just perfect for the summer. It's perfect for wear and go. It's the Kinky straight hair in 22 inches. So that's all of the details about this hair. When I removed this hair from the box, I washed it, of course. I always love to wash my wigs before putting them on my head. I also noticed there's like this a glue thingy. It's not glue, but it's like something that enables the hair stick on your head around the wig. So on the perimeters of the wig, you can see it there. And it also comes with a headband. You can choose to remove the headband, you can choose to wear it with the headband. For me, I just removed the headband because I didn't think it was going to do anything, since the wig fitted perfectly well on my head. So that's all for the details about this hair. When I say I did not use any glue, I did not use any glue. I've always wanted to do that. We're going to go straight into the installation process. Okay, we're going to start with the video now. I've put on my wig cap on my head. I also took out the band from the wig because I just feel it might not necessarily do much for me. I'm just going to brush out the hair a bit, just so it's nice and stretched a bit. I'm going to put it on my head. It blends perfectly with my skin. It's tight on my head. It's firm. It's not too loose. It's not too tight. Level of, like, this is definitely a throw on and leave the house. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to work on this front section first to see what it would look like after I lay it properly. So I'm going to attempt to, you know, just make the hair look neat. I'm not going to necessarily straighten it so much in order for the kinkiness to go. I'm just going to fix this part. So I'm going to be using this hot comb in the closure area just to make it as flat as possible. Not too flat, but just, you know, look a bit natural.
To be sincere, feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secret.
Can you guys see the difference between this area and this area? Like, this place is still high, like it's still full. It's not really smooth and looking as natural as this part. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing on this side.
Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away.
I'm going to take this contour cream thingy that I have from Huda Beauty, and I'm just going to use that on the lace. Can you see, like, this end? I'm going to blend that in with the lace just so it removes any line that we want to show to make the lace visible. I'm going to tap it a bit because this is very dark. And then I'm going to just, it's quite dark, guys.
It will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate, but I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start?
think that should be fine. So I'm just going to use this band that I have to tie down the lace. I'm going to go over my hair with the hot comb, but like in a low heat. I'm just going to brush it through the strands of the hair, not to flatten it too much, but just to tame it a little bit more.
Don't want nobody but you, keeping it between us two.
So I'm going to go finish up my makeup and come back and show you guys what the hair is looking like. So I'm back. Now I'm going to take out the headband and see if it did anything. So this is what the hair is looking like. I am in love. As you can see, the closure is blended into my skin. I think the band I used to tie it down kind of like made a mark on my skin, but regardless of that, you can see how blended in the closure is. This wig is absolutely stunning. I love how it blended well into my skin. As you know, I did not use any products. I just used my contour powder. You can use your powder for your skin. That would perfectly work well as well. I would love to use a concealer to like highlight it in the middle. Let me do that. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to use a concealer, like my old concealer. I don't think anything will come out from this. To highlight the middle part, let's see if that would work. Oh, it's working. Oh, I'm going off track here. Guys, please don't be like me. Make sure you use a proper mirror. Please use a mirror when you're doing these things. I don't know why I do this to myself. Oh, but when you use a concealer, it sort of shows the middle parts much more better. If I was to go out, maybe like I know I'm going to a far place, I'll definitely like spray maybe a little bit of got to be in front just to secure the wig a bit much. But regardless of that, the wig is quite secured. Like I can go out with the wig like this without having to stress about like the wig coming off. It fits perfectly well on my head. I sort of have a big head. I feel like I have a big head, but it's fits perfectly into my head. I'm thinking of cutting like layers, but I don't know yet. I'll probably enjoy it as a straight wig first, or as a kinky straight wig first, before I choose to do anything on it, because this hair should go so. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.